Top 5 mistakes people are making while selling their art. Number 1 is underpricing your art. Okay, sometimes people overprice it too, but I think the most common problem I see is underpricing them. I had made a video about how to price your art before, and I had recommended 3 different methods. If you want to watch it, it's just right here. I'm not going to go into detail about pricing, but why do we underprice our art? Because of our self-worth issues. If we are feeling that we are not there yet, we can do always better, and our art is not as beautiful as we want them to be, then we are thinking that it's worth less. But you need to do some competitor research. You need to go out there and see, depending on the size of your painting, depending on your, let's say, credentials and your experience level, how much you should charge for your art and how can you sell better. If you're underpricing your art, it's also looking bad for you, because then people will think that, oh, why are you selling so cheap while others are selling for a very high prices? That also devalues your work. You don't want to do that. Number 2 is not using different platforms. In order to sell your art now, you need to do some online marketing. And the best way to do that, to do online sales, is to go to different platforms and create your shops there. There are so many of them. There's Fine Art America, there's Art Finder, there's Etsy, and there's ugallery.com. You really have to open all these accounts and upload your work there and try to sell your art. Even print on demand, the prints of your artwork, you can sell them and still make money. It's actually perfect because you don't have to do anything. They are doing the shipping for you. And I had talked about this in this video as well, so if you want to check that out. The more visibility you have, the more chances that you will be selling your art. Number 3. Not optimizing your listing. Let's say you have an Etsy account. You have many listings, maybe like 100. Perfect. But if your listings are not optimized, then you're not gonna get the full benefit from that. What does it mean, optimization? Keywords. You have to add some keywords so that people, when they search on Etsy, they should be able to find you. Your story or your artwork's story. What does that picture tell you, or what should people think when they look at that art piece? Another part is videos and photos. If you don't have good resolution framed, let's say stock photos plus videos, like showing exactly how it would look on the wall or in your hands, in the artist's hands, then people are not going to exactly know what they are buying. And finally, your listing needs to include reviews. If you don't have any reviews, then people will less likely buy your art. Because art piece is important, yes. If people like the art, they definitely want to buy it. But there are still many people out there who care about shipping, who care about handling, who care about basically the artist themselves. The 4th mistake you are making in selling your art is not marketing your platform or your art on social media. And you have to do it right, because every social media is different. LinkedIn is different than Facebook. Facebook is different than Instagram. Instagram is different than TikTok. And they require different kind of marketing strategy. And sometimes I know it's overwhelming, but not doing anything is not going to get you anything. If you share even on one platform, do it the best way that you can. Don't forget, we are not building our shop in the middle of a traffic. We build our shop first, and we need to attract that traffic. We are responsible for it unless we decide to hire someone who's going to do that for us. And the 5th mistake that you are making is not running promotions. Promotions always work. Let's say holiday promotions, Black Friday, or you have Mother's Day special, and you can do something like, oh, you know, if you buy my artwork, just one piece, then I will give you just as a gift, like a smaller version of it as a print. If you're taking commissions, you can create promotional discounts and market those on social media and on your selling platform. We talked about platforms a lot today. If you still don't know about the platforms or which one is the best for you, you should check out this video for sure. These are about original artwork, but if you want to also check out the print on demand platforms, then you should also look at this video. So many videos.